Actually, this is one of the mysteries of creation. What God cannot do does not exist. I thought I've seen birds till I see this one on this video. They said that this bird was spotted somewhere in India. It's a bird that can make 25 different sounds on a stroke. You just open the mouth and make 25 different sounds. I was watching the thing, I thought it was a joke. This is a special bird. Just watch it and see the beauty of creation. See what God did in some of these things we are seeing on earth. This is the first time I'm seeing this type. Watch.